Hi, my name's Wes. My amateur radio call sign W3KW. Quick update on my HP 8920 RF Communications test set restoration and upgrade. I'm installing or removing the CRT and installing an LCD display. There it is, mounted in the front panel. It'll look like the display you see in the background, black, white, and green, with fantastic contrast and readability. A lot better than the original CRT, which burns in and gets a bit dim over time, although mine was pretty good. I struggled with whether to actually replace it or not. It was so good. But it was just too enticing, and I had already bought it, assuming the RF Communications test set that I was buying had a similar problem. This is the power supply board in front of me that I just finished recapping. There are 18 caps, and I tested every single one of them. They were all perfect. HP used very high quality products, but these are approaching 40 some years old. And because I didn't want to get back in here and had to replace a couple of RIFA capacitors in there and in here, which historically fail constantly and could cause some severe damage, I just couldn't leave it unattended, so I decided to replace them all. I have one that showed up with the wrong form factor. They need to be rather short to fit inside the case, so I reordered this form factor, and once that's here, I'll install it, and then I'm ready to put this back together. The instructions for the new scope LCD replacement are quite good. It does take some research and some planning to knock out this project successfully. I'll just pan over here. I mean, I've got parts over here. That's semi-rigid coax, and here's the carcass down here. A bunch of the I/O boards and cases and various parts and pieces. Anyway, once I get it back together, I am putting out a complete video. So if you're going to tackle this project, it might be a little quicker for you if you reviewed it first, because there is quite a bit of research into disassembly and sequence and that sort of thing. So anyway, more updates soon, and look for that full-length video. Thanks again for watching. This is W3KW.